Hi, Wrecker families. Today I want to sing a song about animals in the ocean. First, let's look at the animals in the ocean. Today we're going to sing about a seahorse. That's a seahorse. In our song, the seahorse is going to rock back and forth, back and forth. Can you rock like a seahorse? Great job. We're also going to sing about a clam. A clam goes open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. Another thing in our song are fish. Look, there's two yellow fish. In our song, the fish are gonna swim, swim, swim. Do it like me. Swim, swim, swim. Great job. Ooh, here's another ocean animal. It's a jellyfish. In our song, the jellyfish are gonna go wibble, wobble, wobble. Wobble, wobble, wobble. You do it. Wobble, wobble, wobble. Great job swimming like a jellyfish. The last animal we're going to sing about today is a crab. And a crab has these pinchers on the front. And the crab goes snap, snap, snap with his two claws. You do it. Snap, snap, snap. Good job being a crab. All right, let's sing our song together. Here it goes. The clam in the ocean goes open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The clam in the ocean goes open and shut all day long. The seahorse in the ocean goes back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. The seahorse in the ocean rocks back and forth all day long. The fish in the ocean go swim, 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 swim. The fish in the ocean go swim, swim, swim all day long. The jellyfish in the ocean go wibble, wobble, 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 wibble, wobble, wobble. The jellyfish in the ocean go wibble, wobble, wobble all day long. The crabs in the ocean go snap, 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 snap. The crab in the ocean goes snap, snap, snap all day long. Thanks for singing with me, friends.